Hi, long time no see. I am in a different room. My sister and I switched rooms. There is a video coming that's going to be a room makeover. You're going to see it as it is now, but I'm not done with it yet. I am thinking about rearranging the room, so we'll see. You'll see when that video comes out, but we are going to be doing a little weekend reset plus studying vlog. Obviously, you read the title. Yeah, let's get started. I don't know where I want to start. Oh, it's hot in here. It's hot. I also went shopping. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I went to Michael's. So for those of you that don't know, I like to knit and crochet. So I'm gonna show you what I got. Recently, I've been really into knitting because it hurts my hands like a lot less than crocheting does. Okay. So these are navy. You can see better when I hold it in the sunlight like this. I got little navy yarn, and then I got this blue yarn with like white in it, and I'm gonna knit a cardigan, a navy cardigan, and then this is gonna be the ribbing. I bought this yarn. It's like green, purple, pink, and orange. And I made this a while ago. And I think that sleeves are so cute. They're just not cute on me. So I bought more yarn and we are going to turn it into a full sweater. I saw this photo on Pinterest. I'll try and put it in if I can remember how to do that. And I thought it would be really cute in navy, so I bought some navy yarn, and I'm gonna try to use my knitting machine, and if that doesn't work, then we're hand knitting it. And last thing is a cute little candle. Look at how cute. Okay, sun, stop. Look how cute. And it smells really nice. So as soon as my current candle is done, we will be using this. But yeah, that is what I got shopping today. So now let's get into the like whole cleaning and resetting process. Hi, I'm in my kitchen. Sorry, you can probably hear my brother in the background. Ignore that. But part of my reset routine every 2 weeks is doing my nails. So these are, I'll show you the current state. This is the current state of my nails. As you can see, pretty grown out and chipped. This nail actually broke. This is my other hand. It's arguably worse. But yeah, we are going to do a new set. Alright, ignore whatever my brother is playing in the background. I don't know what that is. But we are going to do our nails. This is the design I'm thinking of. It'll be here somewhere. But yeah, let's go ahead and do that. I am going to do it in time lapse because I don't have all that storage and it's going to take a while. So let's go. Totally forgot to show it, but these are the nails. They're done. I love them so much. They are so cute. He hates me. You're so cute. You're so cute. So cute. Too much. Hi, no idea if you can see me or not, but I am going to study now. We're gonna be working on chemistry, so may or may not cry. We'll see. But yeah, let's get studying because I am running out of time. Okay, so I took notes for about an hour and 4 minutes. My hand is dying. My hand hurts so bad. So I'm gonna stop, and also it is like 3 p.m. and I kind of sort of maybe forgot to eat today, so we are gonna go make some food because we need to eat, so we can't just live on coffee. But yeah, let's go make some lunch and then we'll come back and keep studying. Look at how cute the lighting is in here. Like, it's adorable. Gonna walk for a little bit, watch some YouTube. Alright, oh, I don't know if you saw it, but 30 minutes is what we walked. Hi, I totally forgot to film, but I am making my dinner. I'm having Korean food, but I don't have my tripod, but enjoy watching me finish making this. Fried egg. Boom. So good. Welcome to my bathroom. You can hear the tub running. Hold on. While I do that, I'm going to shave my face. I know that might sound a little weird, but I just use this like tiny little razor and I shave off the peach fuzz. So we're gonna do that. I also like shape my eyebrows and they are pretty bad. So we are gonna do that and then we're gonna hop in the shower. So yeah, enjoy. Don't fall. Glasses off. They're wolf ears. I just dry shave it, so don't judge. Well, I use a little bit of water to, like, you know, clean it off as I go, so. Oh god, I can't see anything. I'll just start here. Let's go shower, and then I will see you after my shower. Boo, this is me after a shower. My skin looks much better now. Look at her. But I don't know if I said it earlier. My sister and I are gonna do face masks. So I'm gonna brush my teeth and then do a face mask, and then I'm gonna go over and watch My Hero Academia with her because she started watching it. And I've just been popping in at random episodes and watching it with her. It's pretty good. if I do a face mask, I won't be able to see anything. So I don't really know if I want to do one or not. Linda! The consensus was no face masks, so chapstick. Okay, let's go watch anime.
Makes sense when you put it that way.
It's midnight. All right, that took us roughly 15 minutes. When I started, it said 12:01, so it is now 12:16. Putting away the tripod. Ha. Totally forgot to clean my bathroom. It's not really that bad. There's a Q-tip in my sink. I'm just gonna do it real quick. Enjoy. Ziggy, resume. Ziggy, play Boat by George. Got my favorite necklace. I think I want to change my PJs because this is like a little bit too hot for me right now. So let's change. Changed. These are shorts. But you know what? Let's go get some water. Yeah, let's get water and drink the water and then just sit in bed and wind down. Yeah, let's do that.
알겠습니다.